Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very important topic to discuss: mental health awareness. Mental health is something that affects each and every one of us, and yet, it's often a subject that is surrounded by stigma and silence. Today, we want to break that silence and have an open conversation about mental health, its significance, and what we can do to support each other. So, let's dive right in. Understanding mental health. First and foremost, let's understand what mental health really means. Mental health encompasses our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act, and it plays a vital role in how we handle stress, relate to others, and make choices in our lives. Just like physical health, mental health is equally important, and it's essential that we pay attention to our mental well-being. The importance of mental health awareness. Mental health awareness is crucial because it helps to reduce the stigma and misconceptions surrounding mental health issues. By being aware and educated, we can create a more supportive and understanding environment for those who may be struggling. Acknowledging mental health challenges empowers individuals to seek help and support, leading to better outcomes and a higher quality of life. Common mental health challenges. Now, let's talk about some common mental health challenges that people may face. Conditions like anxiety disorders, depression, bipolar disorder, and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, are prevalent and can affect anyone regardless of age, gender, or background. By shedding light on these conditions, we hope to foster empathy and compassion towards those who are going through such experiences. Signs and symptoms. Recognizing signs and symptoms of mental health issues is essential in offering support to those in need. We must be attentive to changes in behavior, mood swings, withdrawal from activities, and any signs of emotional distress. Encouraging open communication can create a safe space for individuals to share their feelings and experiences. Destigmatizing mental health. As content creators and viewers, we can all play a part in destigmatizing mental health. By discussing mental health openly, supporting creators who share their experiences, and engaging in respectful conversations, we can normalize the topic and promote understanding. Seeking help and support. If you or someone you know is struggling with mental health challenges, please remember that it's okay to seek help. Reach out to friends, family, or a mental health professional. Remember, you are not alone, and there is no shame in asking for support. Promoting self-care. Self-care is a fundamental aspect of mental health. Encourage activities that promote well-being, such as exercise, spending time in nature, practicing mindfulness, and engaging in hobbies that bring joy. Remember to be kind to yourself and take breaks when needed. We hope that this video has shed light on the importance of mental health awareness and encouraged open dialogue about this crucial topic. Let's support each other, break the silence, and create a world where mental health is treated with the same care and understanding as physical health. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others to spread awareness. Thank you for watching, and take care. Remember, it's okay not to be okay sometimes, but it's essential to seek help and support. Until next time, stay positive and stay informed. Goodbye.